Between Barangay Bantug and Barangay Villa Quezon. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us all meet the first five from Barangay Bantug. Wearing jersey number 91, Ataide. Jersey number 16, Dugo. Jersey number 26, Quinto. Jersey number 30, Rigas. And jersey number 19, Puntawe. On the other hand, here are the first five from Villa Quezon. Jersey number 21, Arabi. Jersey number 3, Villana. Jersey number 14, De Guzman. Jersey number 1, Polo. And jersey number 8, Torres. Simulan na po natin ang ating laro at sana magawa na yung
Derby. Ano ba ni Ayman yan?
parang yes po, okay na po.
Pamukha eh.
10 minutes running time and De Guzman Quinto masimulan ang ating jump ball and here it is Ataide for the first ball to go, no hesitation, three! Ang aga namang mag-init ni Mr. Dugo.
Ay sige, kung nanalo yung bilyang ito,
Yes.
lalakad kang pauwi ah.
And here is
Ganda,
once again,
Pag
first
nanalo
3
bilyang
points
ito,
came
maglalakad sa
from
pauwi.
Mr.
Malayo-layo ah.
Hindi, pag nanalo yung bantog, maglalakad ka pa rin pauwi. Lakad coach.
Hindi, parang hindi rin ako malito. Rigos, and what a great pass to Quinto. 2 points. Jersey number 26. And here is Mr. Another chance. Torres this time. Torres driving. 15 to shoot. And our rabbit this time missed. And there is a foul. Sinaktan mo na siya, Paulwa. Foul jersey number 1. Okay ka lang, Rigos?
Wala, coach.
Ay, first personal foul of jersey number 1, Paulo. First team foul for Villa Quezon. 5-0 tayo. Dugo. Nagkagawan. Paulo able to field to Torres. Torres runs straight to the basket. Nakatong malakit po yung Ataide for that defense. And here is Arabic inside. Great defense for Bantug. Rigos niya kapambola. Ibinigay kay Mr. Ataide. Ataide now driving. Ataide straight to the basket. Tumatake. Wala. Nakuha ang bola ni Mr. Dugo. Wala pa rin. And there is a whistle sa bandang ilalim. Relax lang. Apollo Quinto. Please lang. Ako ang susuntok sa Pesners. Second personal foul of Mr. Polo. Substitution. Polo out, De Paz in.
Aga naman. Aga sumisira niyo yung laro niyo, sayang.
Puntawing, nasa badang ilalim. Rigos able to get the ball to Mr. Ataide. Ataide. 8 minutes and 1 second. Here is Mr. De Guzman. Referee stall, Bantug basketball.
Anong oras laro nila
Wala po yung isang bola at ninakaw nga
Hindi pa
eh.
nga po nag-ano yung sa
Ayoko
hindi pa
maglintang.
nagsasabi. Pero sabi,
Eh,
meron
hindi
daw
siya.
Sabado.
Kasalanan yung ata eh. Tsaka yung kabila. Charot.
Hapon last game
Charot
sa
lang. Wala akong pinagbibintangan.
para makapunta.
7 minutes and 50 seconds.
Oo. Kami rin, laro namin bukas. Try scenario.
2 points coming from Mr. Quinto.
Alam court kasi.
7-0. The pass to Mr. Villana. Villana fires for 2. In and out. Here's Dugo. Nakuha ang rebound. Dugo still holding the ball to Mr. Ataide. Ataide this time. 15 to shoot for Bantug. Here is Mr. 16. Dugo inside. Hindi ko nakita. Hihingi na.
North naman, Sumba.
Back to the ball game, 7 minutes and 10 seconds, 9-0 ang ating score.
Maaga pa lang, sasabihin nyo na kay Harvey.
Arabic for 3, miss. Rigos na po ang bola. Inside to Mr. Puntawi. Tumira, wala. Nakuha ang bola ni Mr. Puntawi once again to Rigos. Rigos to Dugo, 8 seconds to shoot. Ataida this time, Ataida for 3, wala. Nagkagawan, 3 seconds to shoot. Traveling violation at the same time, 24 seconds clock violation. 6 minutes and 39 seconds. Onyx. Wala. Referee's call. Check ball. Same ball. 15 to shoot. Luis Torres holding the ball for Rabbit. And Rabbit fires. Miss. There's a foul off right there coming from the Guzman and also miss. And here is Mr. Ataide. Mga coach, hindi ko na makita. Ito na si Mr. Dugo. Dugo pa rin may tapa ng bola. 6 minutes and 12. Villena able to steal. Ayon, Ataide anticipated. He was able to steal. Coach, hindi ko na po makita. Sorry po. And Rigos to Mr. Dugo to Rigos. Wide in open three. Wala. 5 minutes and 53 seconds.
Lupit nun.
Yun ang unang puntos mula sa ating Pupunang Bilakizon. And that's Torres. Ataide this time to Rigos once again. He fires for 3. Wala. The pass able to save the ball for Bilakizon. This time it's Torres. Torres inside, great pass, and the Guzman able to put that in. And the Guzman for 2, 4-9. Tingnan natin what Batu can give us through Rigos. Perimeter shot, miss once again. The Guzman eager to get the ball. Binigay by Mr. Arabic. Arabic drives straight to the basket. And there's a foul right there. And foul goes to jersey number 16. Substitution. Villena
449.
Quito out. And that's Dugo first
449.
personal foul. First team foul. Arabic first throw, pasok. 5-9. Arabic second throw, pasok pa rin.
449.
Oras po natin 4 minutes and 44 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Missed. Nagkagawan sa batang ilalim. And this time it's Arabic, almost lose. And there's Dugo. Dugo blocked by Mr. Torres. The Castillo. And Arabic once again. Wala. There goes Juan. Great defense and offense right there. 2 points. De Guzman able to put that in. Isa na lang agad ang kalamangan sa ating oras na 4 na minuto, 4 na segundo. Meron na lang 14 na segundo para itira ang poblasyon. I'm sorry. At Charlie, miss! Nevanda, wala pa rin. Nakuha bala ng stand. Because natin kay Arabic, kay Papa Jesus pala, dahil malakas. Substitution. Rigos out, De Leon in. Alam may Papa Jesus. 3 minutes and 39 seconds. 8-9. Dugo to De Leon. De Leon may taba ng bola. De Leon, wrong pass. And Castillo able to, the pass. Rather, Torres, inside, great play. And Castillo, blocked by Mr. Miranda. Castillo pa may taba ng bola. 2 figures 1. Ibigay kay Mr. De Paz. De Paz, no hesitation. Trick and out. The Padawan. What an great defense right there by Miranda. And here he comes, a tight end for Bantug making a play. 2 minutes and 56 seconds. There is a tight end drives, a tight end turns, fires for 2. Strong one for him. Then Guzman once again rebounded. Eto na si Mr. Torres. Umaatake. Eto din. Pass for 3. Ano muna, let's wait for our referee's decision.
Basket tayo ng basket. May call tayo kay Rabbit, 21.
Foul jersey number 21,
Pero count.
Arabic.
Counted.
Pero basket count ang 3. And that came to, kanino yun?
21, Rabbit.
Arabit.
Ano ba yung 3 points mo? Ay, yes. Leon Dugo for 2. Great move by Mr. Dugo. Good points.
Siya rin yung kanina.
Arabic. Walang distraction. 10 seconds to shoot, strong one, and here is Mr. De Leon. May taba ng bola. De Leon to Mr. Dugo. To De Leon. De Leon fires for 3. In and out. And Dugo able to get the ball. Referee's call. Foul jersey 91. 71. Substitution. Time out for the 2. Back to the ball game. 1 minute and 22 seconds. 14. 11. 14 to shoot for Bantug. De Leon once again, wide and open 3. Let's find out. In and out. A tight and great defensive rebound. Binigay kay Mr. Miranda sa bandang ilalim. Natapik. Nakuha pa rin ang bola ni Mr. De Paz to Castillo. Binigay kay Mr. Rabbit. Rabbit inside to Torres. Torres fires! And there is a foul right there. And number 8, offensive foul. Torres first personal foul. Ito si Mr. Dugo to Mr. Atage. 55 seconds. De Leon floater shot. Same ball. 11 to shoot. For Bantug. 11 seconds. We only have 50 seconds remaining. Peralta to Dugo. Dugo for 3. Missed. Nakuha ni Mr. Miranda to Mr. De Leon. Wala pa rin. Last 37 seconds. Rabbit for 3. Ninawa. Jump ball. Same ball. "29 seconds. 13 to shoot. Great pass. And Torres made another 2 points. 16-11. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Miranda. Masyadong malalim. 5 seconds na lang. Last 5 seconds. Google missed. Miranda. 2 points. And about...
Bakit ba?
Kasi kailangan galawin.
Hindi ko naman matupayan.
Back to the ball game, 9 minutes and 52. Miranda to De Leon, long three. Wala pa rin sa pagkumpetakaton. And Dugo. Pinakita ni Mr. Dugo. Ano ba yun? There is one. And that's Villena. 18-15. 9 minutes and 20 seconds. Dugo inside. A strong pass right there. Last touch from Mr. De Guzman. Same ball. 11 to shoot. Peralta to Mr. De Leon. To Dugo. 8 seconds for Bantu. Dugo to Miranda. 3 seconds. De Leon. 4-2. Three points wala. De Guzman. Nakuha ang ball ng Sir De Leon. De Leon to a Tyler. Tyler umatake. 2 points. Change favor na tayo. Torres. 3 points. 21-19. 8 minutes and 12 seconds. Dugo. 10 seconds to shoot. Harapin tumira Torres wala. Peralta to rebound to Mr. Ataide. Ataide wala pa rin. Ang gagawin. Oy. Foul jersey number 91, and that's a tied in first personal foul. Miranda replaced by Puntawi. Sub Arabit out, Depaz in. Here's Torres inside. Dahil anticipated, nagagawa ng bola. Lanuza, tumira, malakas. Ito na si Mr. Retaide. 7 minutes and 25. Great pass. And Puntawi made that 2 points. We are tied by 21. 7 minutes and 12. Ito na si Mr. Villena to Torres. Torres fires for 3. Miss.
Gandang defense.
There is a foul. Foul jersey number 19, Puntawi. And that's Puntawi first personal foul, second team foul. Villena. Nakuha ang bola ni Mr. Peralta. 6 minutes and 55. There is a tie-day. Ang tagawan, ang tie-day, great defense. Pinilit kahit nakaupo. Hala ko si shoot. Here is the Kaz. Miss. Nagkagawa ng bola. Dugo. Si Peralta. to Mr. De Leon. Grabing tawan. Ito na si Mr. De Paz. Hindi ko nakita na. Ayun! Substitution. De Guzman to be replaced by Paula. Substitution. Sino? Bugo. Out. Bugo. Brigos. Oras po natin 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Ataide fires for 3. Ataide. 3 points. 6 minutes and 11. Torres to the pass. To Torres. To Polo. Tumira wala. Tinanatan pa ang bola. Pinigay kay Mr. Ataide. And once again, Ataide, here he comes. Medyo din na habol ni Mr. 5 minutes and 48. Torres. Berkeley. Tabla na naman. 5 minutes and 39 seconds. Two points, De Leon.
Kanan niya, tagal na.
Diliana for 2. Ataide for 3 missed. Four minutes and 50. Asa si Weng? Ano ba si Weng? 3 points. Time out. Barangay Bantug. And that 47 seconds.
Bumaba naman ni Rod.
Here is Mr. Ataide. Ataide threw with a shot. Missed. Nakuha ang bola ni Mr. Polo to Mr. Nurtado. Nurtado to the pass. The pass to Mira once again. Wala. Nagtagawan. Peralta able to rebound to Mr. Ataide. Straight to the basket. That power and aggressiveness of Ataide is really there. Here is the Nurtado to Torres. Substitution. Kontawi out. Jersey number 26, Quinto in. Three minutes and 54 seconds. Liliana fires. Quinto to rebound. Quinto to Mr. Ataide. Ataide pa rin. May taba ng bola. Inside to Quinto. Quinto to De Leon. De Leon drives. De Leon to Mr. Ataide. What a great communication right there. And another 2 points coming from Ataide. Change favor of 30 to 29. Nurtado this time to Torres. Torres, a very long three. In and out. Paulo able to rebound. Paulo pa rin. And there is a whistle and a foul goes still. Jersey number 42. Peralta. Substitution. Ataide out. And first personal foul of Mr. Peralta. Third team foul, Bantug. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Nurtado to the pass. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. 3 seconds to shoot.
Hindi. Umatras.
Long pass, and here he comes. Dugo drives, and he got a foul. And that is foul jersey number 1. Follow, third personal foul. First foul. Substitution. De Guzman will be replacing Polo. Dugo first throw in. 31-29. Dugo second throw in. 32-29. Hurtado to De Guzman to Arabic. Arabic fires. 2 points coming from Arabic. 31-32. There is De Leon for 3. Arabic. Arabic to Mr. Hurtado. 12 seconds to shoot. Foul, jersey number 42. Peralta. Puntawi. Second personal foul and warning for penalty. Bantug. Arabic. Wala. Nagkagawa ng bola. To Mr. Dugo this time. Last 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Great pass. Almost. De Leon. Almost saved. Check ball. 4 seconds to shoot. Liliana to steal. Liliana drives. Great good pass. Sayang. Quinto. Nakuha ang bola. Nakuha binigay kay Dugo. Dugo to Mr. Puntawi. Puntawi for 2. Puntawi 2 points. 1 minute and 39 seconds. Hurtado to Mr. De Guzman. Binigay kay Mr. Villana. Villana wala. Nakuha ni Puntawi ang bola. 1 minute and 20 seconds. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Here is De Leon. Tumira ng 3. Too strong. Baklang. Too strong. Hurtado to Arabic. Fakes. Turns. Tumira. Galit. Last 1 minute. And Arabic added 2 points. Quinto to Puntawi. That's pass. Quinto. 2 points. Timeout. Barangay Vilquizon. Back to the ball game. We only have 47 seconds time remaining sa ating second quarter. Our score is 36-33. 3-point lead for Barangay Bantug. Torres to Arabic. Arabic drives and traveling violation. 41 seconds. De Leon. Ibinigay kay Mr. Dugo. "35 seconds. Dugo to Quinto. Quinto to Dugo. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Referee's call with a Quezon basketball. Last 26 seconds. Seconds. Arabic for 3, missed. De Guzman, Quinto, great defense, blocked. Torres, Tumira, for 3. Torres is giving right now. 3 seconds. End of our first half, and our score, same score, 36. minutes running time. We are tied by 36. Nakita-kita po muli tayo bukas ha. May laro po tayo, dalawang game ulit. And syempre po sa January 10 po, ang ating SK Night and Awarding Night. Invited po kayong lahat. Punta kayo. Kainin niyo po. Arabit. Tied to Google. Great play. Nakapagpahinga. And 2 points coming from Mr. Rigos. Here is Mr. Dizon. Dizon pa rin. May taba ng bola. Oh, ayun. Dugo na naman. Dugo to Rigos. Rigos umatras. 10 seconds. To Quinto. Long 2. Miss. Follow up by Mr. Dugo. Wala. Bison nakuha ang bola. To a rabbit. A rabbit to Miranados. Wala. Great Dugo. A tight end. Pontawi, 2 points, 4-point lead na. Bison, great pass, unfortunately it is. Substitution. Bison out, follow in. And that was a 3-point once again coming from a rabbit. The unpredictable shot. And tied it for 2. Last 8 minutes. 42-39. Ouch! Kaya tinamaan ako. Ano ba? Oh. Torres. 7 to shoot. A rabbit missed. There's one to follow, but a strong one right there. And here he comes, Pontawi. Pontawi to Mr. Ataide. Ataide fires and drops and pushes, fires. Wala! Miranda to Quinto to Palo. And that made our score 44-39. Torres, 2 points. Dugo to Quinto. Quinto to Ataide. Ataide fires for 3. Miss. Rebounded by Mr. Arabit to Torres. Tumira na naman. Grabe. Umiinit ang mga kamay ni Mr. Torres. We are tied by 44 and 17 points committed by Torres. And Torres ay Ataide, matake ng 3. Ataide for 3. And we only have 6 minutes and 18 seconds. Torres to Polo. Polo to Miranados. Wala. Nakagawa. Quinto to rebound. Quinto to Ataide. Ataide who fires for 3! Ataide once again for 3. Ito na si Mr. Polo. And great defense by Quinto. Another steal. And here is Rigas for 2. And aside from that 2 points, we heard a whistle. And there is a foul. Basket count. Foul jersey number 71. Substitution, Castillo out. Forward. 71. Second personal foul, Mr. Castillo. Here is Torres once again, miss. Into the rebound. Peralta. To Mr. Rivas, short. Ala. De Guzman, walang pinasahan. Substitution. Let's have Rigos out and Peralta in. Substitution. Puntawi. Quinto out. Miranda. Good to go po tayo. There is a tie. 5 minutes and 8 seconds. The Tide is still holding the ball, making a play for Bantug. Hardly guarding by Mr. Torres. At Tide, nakatakas. At Tide loses the ball, following at Tide. Binigay kay Mr. Peralta sa ilalim. Bounce pass, 5 to shoot for Bantug. Ito na, the pass to Mr. Torres. Jeffrey's call. Foul jersey number 42 for holding. Third personal foul. First team foul, good team. 17 seconds to shoot. Torres to follow. Back to Torres. He wants another 3 this time sa kanyang gilid. Nakuha po ng Mr. Dugo. Nabitawan, tinapit na the pass, and here is a rabbit. Nabitawan ng bola. Kaninong bola? Bola ng Bantug. 4 minutes and 24 seconds. Dugo inbounds to Mr. Atayde. Atayde to Peralta. And Dugo able to save to Miranda. Ang sakit ng bat. Last 4 minutes and 9 seconds. Great pass. Ay, sayang naman. Kung inaalat si Mr. De Guzman dito, no? Napalakas ang huling tira na yun. 10 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes and 55. Seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Robin pinabayaan. Nakatira ng 3. And our score here is 47-52. Malaking tulong ang last 3 minutes and 16. 2 points. Balik mo to. Back to the ball game. A rabbit to Mr. Torres. 3 minutes and 5. De Leon able to steal. Ibinigay kay Mr. Peralta. Peralta fires for 2. 2 points. Last 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Here is Mr. Torres. Miranda, wala. And nakuha na naman ang bola ng Mr. De Leon to Peralta. And 2 points once again.
Back to back.
Lumalim na ang kalamangan ng barangay Bantug dito. And as you can see, they are giving their best to defense. And Pagkawi able to get the ball, but Arabit this time. Lumagasis and follow. Aside from the 2 points, Substitution. 2 minutes and 18 seconds. Miranda first personal foul. Second team foul for the 2. Three points completed by jersey number 1, Paulo. 50-58. Here's De Leon for carrying the ball. Last 2 minutes. Third quarter pa lang tayo ha. Arabit tumira. Same ball. Bola ng mama ko. Ano ba? 13 to shoot. Tumira, wala. Tumira, tatong rebound. 1 minute and 40 seconds. At tayo tumaas ang moral ng Barangay Bantug dahil sa kanilang pagkapanalo against Katanalakan. At na-miss ko yung mga games kasi wala ako ng mga nakaraang laro. Busy kasi ako eh. And De Leon, put that in. 2 points. Na-miss ko. Hindi na ako mawawala, promise. All points. Tumira, 2 points. Ito na si Mr. Taide. Last 57 seconds. 50 seconds. De Leon, 2 points. You made me proud. So proud. Oras po natin, 38 seconds. Foul jersey number 6 for pushing, that's De Leon. De Leon first personal foul, 13 foul, 36 seconds. Last 36 seconds. Lanuza, 2 points. Last 22 seconds. 12 to shoot. 15 seconds. Kung pinilit wala, Devils man, 2 points. Last 4 seconds. Tira nyo na. End of our third. Back to the ball game. Last quarter na tayo mga kaibigan. Ating talaan, 62 laban sa 56. There is Dugo to a tie in. Referee's call, and that's Lanuza. Foul jersey number 31, Lanuza first personal foul, first team foul for Barangay Bilakizon. Ataide to Puntawi. Puntawi to Ataide. Ataide pa rin, may tama ng bola. 15 to shoot. Offensive foul. Foul jersey number 91. Second personal foul. Traveling violation. Marami able to steal to Mr. Lanuza. Lanuza! 58-62. It is Mr. Duba this time to a tight end. Referee stall, same ball. 13 seconds to shoot. Mahigpit na depensa na ang binibigyan ng Barangay Villa Quezon dito. It's a man-to-man defense ang ibinibigyan ng Villa Quezon. Here is Pantawi, this time sa Badang Gilid. He drives. Pantawi sa Badang Ilalim. Tumira ng boss. 2 points. Yes. Here is Paulo Disan. Atay drives. Atay pa rin, nagtaba ng bola. Binigay kay De Leon. De Leon inside to Buko. Buko may nagtaba ng bola. Time to shoot for Batug. Here is Quinto Portray. That's a big help. 58-67. And Torres, the unstoppable Torres, made another 2 points once again for Villa Quezon.
Pito.
8 minutes and 12 seconds.
Tao.
8 minutes.
Sumipat na.
Torres, wala. Nakuha ni Lanusa. Banta. And another whistle goes to foul jersey number 91. Substitution. Ataides, third personal foul. Second team foul. Oras natin 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Bola first throw, pasok. 61-67. Bola second throw, pasok. Bugo to Mr. De Leon. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Dapat ni Sir Torres ang bola. Torres pa rin may taban. Torres to Arabic. Arabic to three. Wala. Nakuha ni Mr. Paul. Itong binigay. And Guzman. Wala pa rin. Magkagawa ang Paul for the chance. Wala. And ball possession. Barangay Bantu. Grabe, medyo inaalat si De Guzman. Unlike the fast plays or games na meron siya. And here is Mr. Dugo Design, Dugo to Quinto tumira. Wala, ay pumasok pala. Masyado lang ako judgmental. 69-62. And that's Lanusa 2 points.
Pagod na si Jason.
De Leon drives. Wala. Nakakuha ang bola ni Mr. Torres. Torres tumira. Magkagawan. Because one to Lanusa. Lanusa tumira. Wala.
Patay na! Patay na!
Ay, di ba?
Pumapasok ka. Magsak kasi kayo, hindi yung puro babat yung mga player nyo.
And stop him. And that's why he put another 2 points inside despite of having 2 big men defending him. And that's 56-72. Ano? Oras natin, 5 minutes time. And we only have 3 minutes and 3 seconds time remaining. Getting on this time to Mr. Google. Atayde, sorry. 10 seconds to shoot. Atayde, no hesitation 3. Nasaling ang rain pero hindi pumasok. And here is Mr. Torres once again for Billy Quezon. Torres to Mr. Delay pass. To Mr. Arabic, wala. Nagkagawa. Duga rin yung save. And unfortunately, Atayde, once again, Teddy Guzman. Kanino pa sinasabi? Mukhang inaalas si Teddy Guzman dito. Tumira na lang si Mr. Torres pero wala. Nakuha ni Mr. Quinto. Ibinigay kay Torres. 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Ball possession. Ibigay natin. Kailangan na talagang humingi ng time.
Pag sinare ko marami lang ganda. Share nyo.
Balik na tayo sa ating laro.
Ganito ano.
Napakaganda, napakadikit, napakainit. And yet, we are enjoying the game tonight. Torres and Arabic. Arabic tries. Nalibre. Tinira. Wala. Niyaka pa bola. Last 2 minutes.
Ito na, discarte yan na. Pa lang ba yan? Last na.
Here is Atayde making a play.
Bantok na isa.
Last 10 seconds. Or 10 seconds to shoot, sorry. 5 seconds. Atayde loses the ball. And Guzman able to get it. The pass to Paulo. Paulo to Torres. Torres still holding the ball. 15 seconds. And Torres drives. Great pass! Torres! What's happening? Torres Guzman is having trouble sa kanyang shooting. Kanina pa, first quarter pa lamang. Sayang ang mga pagkakataon kay Guzman. And 12 seconds only for Billy Quezon. 12 seconds. Here is Paulo to Arabic. Arabic to Mira. Wala. Nakuha ni Mr. Quinto ang rebound. 1 minute and 17. Jump ball. Bola ng Billy Quezon.
Relax yung bola. Isa lang pala naman nila. Player mo.
Yes po, tama naman po. Tama naman po. Oras natin 1 minute and 17 seconds.
Oh, ba't nakakalit ka?
Nag-change court po tayo kanina, pinunta dito. Tapos
Oh, ba't nakakalit? Referee, committee.
10 to shoot.
Oh!
Torres wala. Nakuha Sir Rabbit. 1 minute and 7
Relax
seconds.
lang, relax lang.
8 seconds to shoot for Billy Quezon. 5 seconds. Ball possession, Barangay Bantug. We only have 55 seconds remaining. The Guzman, don't do that to your shirt. Itapin mo lang siya. Tapin mo lang. Relax. Relax.
Relax lang kayo.
Last 53 seconds. 49 seconds. 12 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Atayde, miss. Quinto to Mira. 2 points.
Rebound.
Ito na si Mr.
Ay, patay.
Wala.
Wala na.
Jump ball. Billy Quezon basketball. Doon, bola.
Hindi sila nag-sit eh.
Last 25 seconds.
Dapat to kanina pa lang nag-sit na sila. Plano nila, di ba?
Dalihan, may tama ng bola. Last steal, nakuha for Rabbit. 17 to shoot. The pass, wala. Nagkagawan, Quinto. Traveling violation. Last 10 seconds. Last 10. Last 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds.
3 points.
Last 10 seconds. The pass to Mr. De Guzman to Torres. Torres to Andres, malakas. 4 seconds remaining. Arabit, wala. Last. End of our game. Our final score 76-73. Congratulations to our winning team, Barangay Bantug. And also we would love to congratulate our player of the game, wearing jersey number 26, Mr. Quinto. Pa-picture na po.